Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Bobby G, and today we are checking out right now. You guys can see it in all of its greatness. This is going to be the ESR Cyber Tough magnetic case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to tell you guys some reasons why I think you should pick it out. But in the end, I want you to make the decision. Then tell me why you make that decision one way or the other. Without further ado, let's get into it Bobby G style. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and bring in our scale and measure to see how much this Cyber Tough case is going to be for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So we got it coming in at 72 grams. Not bad. All right, so now that we've done the weigh-in, I want to take a second and just show you guys the construction of this case. So there's going to be a 3-layer design to basically give you, the best level of protection they can. This is how they get that 7X military grade protection. So what you're going to have is, on the outside, you're going to have this. If you guys can hear that, you're going to have a hard outer shell right there. Okay. Then you're going to have this soft, flexible TPE interior. You guys see how flexible it is. But here's the third layer. Here's the kicker layer, okay? This is going to be the third inner layer. So it's got the TPE, and then on top of that, on the inside, you've got this, they call it poron lining, okay? So that's going to cushion against the hard impacts. So you got the TPE, the poron lining, and then the hard shell on there, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and do a montage of putting this case on the phone, and then we'll take a look around. All right, so now that we've got the phone case on, let's go ahead and take a look around at it. Let's start off with the front, guys. Okay, so on the front, you are going to have an even raised lip, if you guys can see that, on the sides, the bottom, the other side, and then the top. Now, what's really cool about this case, that they go above and beyond, in my opinion, is they're not only going to give you a raised lip, even all the way around, but you also have these corners, okay? Now these corners right here are pretty legit. These are the air guard corners, and you've got 4 of them, okay? So the air guard corners are gonna be what not only is there for corner impacts, but also is gonna be there to raise your face of your phone up even higher for that face down protection. Okay, so we got that for the corners. That's your face down right there. Nice opening for your speaker, or your earpiece rather. Then on the left side, y'all know with Galaxies, you ain't got much going on here, just smooth side. But I do want to bring this closer so you guys can see, so the light can hit it. We've got the ESR minimal branding, tech made easier. Now what's really cool is got these grooves on the left side and the right side, and that's going to be good for grip, okay? And it actually feels pretty good in the hand. Pause. Now on the right hand side, you do have the volume up, volume down, power button with that as well. Now on the bottom, another thing that's unique about this case that I haven't seen so far in the cases that I've tested this year are going to be right there. Okay, so I'm trying to get the camera to catch it, but basically they have a mesh covering over your speaker portion, and that's to help keep debris out. So that's pretty legit. So we got our S Pen opening right there. Let's see how hard it is to get our pen out. Okay, y'all saw that wasn't too difficult. put that back in. Now you do, again, as I mentioned, or if I haven't mentioned it yet, you are going to have a covered USB-C port to keep that dirt and debris and stuff out. But they got a little slit opening right there. If you guys can see on camera where your microphone's going to be. Now when you open this up, that's how you're going to gain access to everything right there. Okay, no issue. Now something that this, I don't think they intended on this being for the use, but when you're holding your phone, if you guys see right here like I've got it, it makes a nice pinky pillow. So nice little soft piece to rest your pinky when you're using your phone. So that's the left, that's the right, that's the bottom. On the back, we've got this really cool MagSafe design. Okay, like a little swirly design on there. It looks really nice. And then another selling point of this case that I feel like is unique, the way that they do it at least, is going to be this this camera guard. They call it the camera guard, but beyond it being a camera guard, what is really cool about it is it also doubles, that's right folks, as a kickstand. So there's going to be your horizontal and then your vertical orientation. No problem there for consuming your media. So I think that's pretty slick, okay? And this is made of zinc alloy. So it's gonna give you very high, very high raised camera protection, okay? So I would say 3, maybe even 4 hairs above your camera bumps, especially with that camera guard in use there. So that's gonna be really protective right there. Here's your top. Opening again for those microphones, nothing special going on there. So I don't know, I think the design is pretty slick, okay? And I'm gonna play some audio later to show you guys that this mesh that covers the speaker doesn't affect the audio quality, okay? Now you know what we gotta do, we gotta put it through our series of tests, starting off with the USB-C, the big chungus, the big boy in the yard, see if this is gonna pass the test. Now, if you've watched this other video that I'm gonna link right now for the iPhone 17 Pro Max with this case, you already know the answer to this. But if you're just tuning in for the Galaxy, I gotta show you guys. So here's our big chungus. Okay, and you guys can see I'm trying to push it in. Trying to get that on camera. That's a good way, right? So if you guys see right there with the big chungus, this really large oversized charger, it's not gonna fit with this opening in particular. But you might not be like me, okay? You might not be like me. You might be like, hey, Bobby, I'm not weird like that. I've got a normal size charger, something like this, okay? Just a normal USB-C charger. This one's from Apple, but it's gonna be very similar in size to, like, for example, an Anchor charger, charging cable. So we're gonna bring this over. And y'all heard that, okay? So I'm showing you on camera with a normal size USB-C, nothing oversized. You have got tons of space right there, okay? So it's gonna fit in there, no problem. So beyond that, guys, let's check the MagSafe compatibility, okay? So let's bring in our MagSafe charger right here, AKA wireless charger. Let's flip this over. There you go. So wireless charging compatibility is good. And let me just show you guys, the magnets are so tough. I can hang and dangle it from this MagSafe charger without any issue there. But let's kind of do a little bit of a little grinding here to see if we get any transfer on this case. Okay, y'all see me twisting it there. So take off our wireless charger. You guys tell me, okay? So in person, I do not see any transfer. I think this hard shell case is gonna go or hold up really well over time, okay? So y'all tell me in the comment section what y'all think. Okay, so that's USB-C. That is wireless charging, aka MagSafe strength. Let's go ahead and bring in our friend, the Camolo tripod, and then we're gonna shake the crap out of this and see if those magnets really hold up to the test. All right, we've got the late and often great Camolo magnetic tripod. Let's go ahead and bring it in, guys, and you're gonna see live with the tripod. We got some really strong magnets on this case, okay? We are shaking the living heck out of it. So all in all, guys, as we get done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and play the audio just to show you guys that we don't have any issues there, and then we'll do our closeout. All right, so there was the music, guys. I just want to tell you that this is now full transparency, guys, on my channel. Okay, you know I don't fluff you, I don't lie to you. I give it to you straight. I give it to you real. Okay. This case was sent over to me by ESR, so thank you ESR for sending this over for review. However, my thoughts, my ideas are going to be my own. So let me go ahead and summarize and close this out for you guys. Thanking you for your time first and foremost and telling you my thoughts. Is this a great case? Absolutely. Now, this case is going to, I'm going to put like a little discount code on the screen for you guys right now for my viewers. That's going to give you 20, yes, that's right, 25%, okay? So I'm gonna link the website in there, and I'm also going to give you guys a discount code for 25% off. I'll put it in the video description as well for you guys as a thank you for checking out this video. But again, let me just go through, I'm kind of getting lost here and lost in the sauce. Let me give you my final thoughts so we can get you guys out of here. Number one, this is a great case, especially for the money. Number two, it's gonna be very protective. This is very durable. This is a very bulky, very strong case. Okay, it's got a lot of cool features. For example, the kickstand on there, I think that's pretty legit. Like, I like the way that they do the kickstand. The overall design of the case, I like it. It's somehow maintaining sleekness, but also having bulk and making sure your phone is properly protected. So that's going to be for somebody, again, who doesn't mind the added weight, who doesn't mind the added bulk, who's all about protecting their $1,000, $1,500 plus phone, so they don't have to do an insurance claim, who's all about wanting a kickstand, MagSafe built in. All those things, this is your case. Now, who is this case not for? If you like minimal case, if you like light cases, if you don't care about a kickstand, if you're any of those criteria, this case is not going to be for you. Again, full transparency. But I think they knocked it out of the park with this one. Again, I really suggest you guys check out my video that I did for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Same type of case, just different color. I think it's worth a check, guys. I appreciate your time for stopping by. It's your boy Bobby G. I'm out. Peace.